Hi guys, and welcome back to another Meals of the Week video. 7 plant-based meals that are pretty easy to make. It includes my most favourite pasta dish that I got from a recipe on Instagram, so I'll try and link that down below. Some others from the Deliciously Ella book, which is also will be linked down below. And did anyone used to love I don't know if they still do them, the potato skins with the cheese and bacon from TGI's? Well, I saw this recipe, I think again it was on Instagram, and it looked identical to them, and I was like, oh, I could just taste it. They didn't quite taste as good as them ones, but they were still nice. So yeah, they were sort of stuffed potatoes, but yeah, they were nice. So I hope you enjoy the video. So this is our dinner this evening. We've got hot dogs. It's these ones. Not had them before, but they smell nice. With a sub roll, there's some, what's it called? Mustard, tomato ketchup, and some crispy onions on top. And then these are waffle fries with some cheese and katsu mayo and some guacamole on top. And that is what we have for our dinner this evening. So for our dinner tonight, we've got this lazy mushroom lasagna, which is from this Deliciously Ella book. We've not had it before. It's just a little bit different to a lasagna I'd normally do. I think the lazy bit is you don't do the layers because you still do everything else in it. And then I've just served it with some salad and some garlic bread, and that is what we have for our dinner this evening. And tonight we have a dessert as well. We don't often have, sometimes we'll have yogurt or some fruit or biscuits or whatever, but we don't often have a proper dessert. So this is a homemade apple and blackberry crumble. Picked the blackberries from the garden, yeah, and then served it with some custard. So for dinner today, we've got sweet potato red Thai curry, which is from this Deliciously Ella book. Really loving this one at the moment. Lots of really good recipes in there. So obviously there's sweet potato, red lentils, spinach, pepper. I'm not sure if it's going to be too spicy for me, but we will see. We'll give it a go. And then I've just served it with some brown rice, and that is what we've got for our dinner this evening. So for our dinner tonight, we've got a quiche, which is this Higgidy vegan quiche, with a little bit of salad, some cucumber, some coleslaw. That's just the Plant Chef one from Tesco. And then these are my wedges that I make. So I just use baked potatoes, slice them into wedges, a bit of oil, some smoked paprika, some garlic granules, some salt, sometimes some onion granules as well, but I didn't have any of them. And then put them in the oven at about 200 degrees for about 35 to 45 minutes. And that's your wedges. Very tasty and quick. Well, not quick, but easy. And that's what we've got for our dinner this evening. So for our dinner this evening, we have these cheese and bacon stuffed potatoes. But the bacon bits are made out of tempeh, and then you add some other stuff to give it the flavour. And then the potatoes are just like jacket potatoes, but you scrape out the potato, add in some cream cheese, dill, what's it called, chives, a little bit of milk, mash it up till it's nice and smooth, and put it back in the skins, put it in the oven for about another 30 minutes. And then I've put the tempeh over the top, and then I've just got a bit of salad with it. So for our dinner this evening, we've got this leek and miso pasta. I've done this one a few times. I've done double the amount of leeks today because we love leeks. Well, Lucy doesn't, but the rest of us do. I've only put a little bit on hers. And then that's sort of like crumbled tofu with some stuff added to it, like a miso, fennel. It smells amazing and it tastes amazing. And then the sauce is like silken tofu and some other bits and pieces. But yeah, it's a really tasty meal. And that is what we've got for today. So for our dinner tonight, we've got meatballs and spaghetti. These are the Linda McCartney meatballs with some tinned tomatoes, and then I've put some cheese over the top. So these two have got vegan cheese, these ones have got dairy cheese, and then just got some garlic bread to eat with it.